hope it's your car. It's not.
That's called a cement key, because that's cheaper than ringing the RACQ.
A cement key?
Yeah, a cement key or a brick key. You just get a brick or a piece of cement and smash the window in. Because that's the window.
Yeah.
You know, no, that. You just get a cement key.
A cement
Or,
key?
yeah, a cement key or a brick key.
Okay, so I'm going down the coast tonight. I'm going to go down for the weekend.
Yeah.
So if anything happens, I'll just get what you call a concrete key.
Concrete key or...
Is that well known?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering how you get in.
Just pick out your cheapest window and smash it in, mate.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's.
Is it easy to do?
Oh yeah, no worries.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll investigate that there, because I have seen times where people are parked in remote areas and there's all broken glass all on the ground.
Yeah, they lock their keys in, stupid.
Would it only be people locking their keys in?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, it could be people breaking into the vans.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. 'Cause it was all where Vanlife people park, you know. More so up a Springbrook Range and stuff like that, where you think, what's all this glass?
Yeah, they.
Hey?
I don't drive.
How come you can't get into it? Hey? What's that?
Keys are in there.
Oh, don't do that. Ring the RSCQ.
$175, mate. Nah.
Oh, wait a sec. See if I can give you a hand, mate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that.
It's called a cement key.
Into a car when you can see the keys in the back, but you haven't got the keys and you haven't got a bit of wire and you haven't got a bit of tape. I wish I could help you. He's going to smash it. Oh, Jesus. Well, it's too late now. It's bulletproof. Mate, that's the best window. Where do you get them from?
China.
China. Best window I've ever seen. Hey? It's bulletproof. Mate, you've never broken into a car in your life, have you?
No, I haven't. I haven't driven one either.
Oh, this is incredible. Like, that's not going to break.
It's not.
That's a good car. I wouldn't be breaking it. It deserves to live. Is it really?
That's not.
Can't believe that's a Datsun. Can anyone believe it? Sounds like a Datsun with a V8 in it. Sounds like a V8 in a Datsun.
Awesome.
Hey, Gaza.
Hey, Gary, how are you, mate?
Good, mate. What do you think of spare keys, mate?
About what?
Well, you know you have the concrete key.
Yeah.
What about a spare key?
Spare key?
Yeah, you could hide it under your car or something.
Yeah. Mate, you could just use a hammer.
50 cent piece or something, put it there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
We used to break into cars now.
Oh, really? So there's the sun, the feet tan in the bubbles. Let's walk through the bubbles, eh? Bubble bath. Oh, what a beauty. Look at the bubble legs. Tanned, isn't it? Oh, this is absolutely brilliant today. It's like tumbleweed, all this foam getting blown down the beach.
This minute, this moment.
Now this is what I call the 50% rule. You park your car or van in one of these end spots, so you've got 50% chance of being sideswiped in the car park are eliminated, because you only have one side that's vulnerable, and that one side that's vulnerable, again, fold your rear view mirror back. makes it easier for people to come in and out, and it also saves you the drama. If you lose that, you got to go and pay for a new one, and you don't want that. Even if you've got insurance, your premium will go up. So think of all that. You've got much room to play with when you've got a big van. So play the odds in your favour. 50% rule.